This day has been a long time coming. We've been together for 6.5 years. We've been engaged for 2.5 years. Many postponements and replanning of many different weddings. Zach and I met in 2014. We were working at the same bar.
She came into work one night, became friends, and then several years later, we ran into each other around Thanksgiving. We were both single at that time.
So we decided to go on a date, and we never stopped dating.
One of my favorite things about Katherine is her drive. She's so driven both in her career, just in life.
He is kind and patient to everyone, not just to friends and family, but to everyone he meets.
One of my other things that I really love about her, she's one of the most caring people I've ever met. She'll always make sure you are taken care of.
He sacrifices for his loved ones. He's funny. He's obviously very handsome.
She's one of the most beautiful people inside out. I mean, she's absolutely gorgeous. Every day I see her, I'm just amazed that she's with me.
Our whole vision of our wedding day was always to have our closest friends and family together, laughing, making memories.
It's a very close-knit group. Everyone's getting along so well, and just for our favorite people to be here witnessing this become official.
Last night we had Zach's dad and my brother and friends all playing cards on the table, and we could hear them like howling laughter from the other room, and we were like, we did it. This is the dream.
I mean, it's just really, it's everything. I'm so excited. Been together for a long time, but it's official now. It's just, yeah, it's really great.
Katherine, the last 7 years with you have been more than I could have ever imagined. I love you for so many reasons. You're the most driven, intelligent, caring, and beautiful woman I've ever met. I love that we never run out of things to talk about, and even after 7 years, our relationship is fun and exciting. I love you for everything that you are. I promise to always be your best friend, and I promise to wake up every morning loving you more than I did the day before.
Zach, the first time I met you, I felt like we had known each other for years. Two old souls who had been friends in another lifetime. Throughout the last 7 years, I've had the privilege of watching you grow into the man that stands here today. You are a man who is sure of himself and who is unwavering in authenticity. And you are patient and kind to every person. Although you never got to meet him, these are your loving qualities that remind me of my dad every day. I love you with my whole heart in a way that I can't say in words. I promise to always believe in you and to never stop appreciating you. You are my person, my love, and my life, and I am so proud to call you my husband.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Zach, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Zach and Katherine Comer.
There's nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We're alive. We're sipping on sunshine. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. Unafraid, we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
One of to welcome everybody. This is a beautiful place. We've had just a lovely time for the last 3 days.
Thank you, Zach and Kat, for setting all of this up and making this a week that none of us will ever forget.
I knew immediately that you guys were gonna get married.
I knew Kat was the girl because her birthday's the same as mine.
I remember going on a walk with Katherine, and me being the younger sister, I go, so, you guys gonna get married, or?
And Kim looked at me and she goes, I might have it wrong, but I think this is it.
Over the years that I've gotten to know you, I've also gotten to watch someone who makes my brother so happy and so full of life that it's something I can't thank you for enough.
My joy for dancing really was born in my parents' living room. My dad taught me my first classical steps, like the robot and how to walk. This portion of weddings has always been hard for me, only because I know that we would have never last. I have always strived to honor my dad in every possible way that I can, and so I knew that I couldn't skip this part of the night. If you are all willing, I would love if you would join me, everyone, in a dance to one of my dad and my favorite songs. So if you don't mind, everybody standing up and dancing. Let's do it.
We wanna taste of this world as the offer. Unafraid we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We wanna taste of this world as the offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
When we planned our wedding, our whole vision was having our friends and family be together, make memories, know each other, and this has exceeded our expectations, and we've just been overjoyed the last 3 days. So thank you for being here.
Love you all. Thank you. There's a pattern.
Okay.
Love you, bud.
Grandma
Love you
picture.
too. Thank you.
And then I'll be all done with my pictures for the day. Zach?